Welcome to the fourth elementary lesson in Watford. Today we were looking at countable nouns. What's funny? Am I not tucked in? It's countable nouns or uncountable nouns. So we made a list of the countable nouns and the uncountable nouns. And remember, the thing about countable nouns is they can always be plural. One biscuit, two biscuits, an egg, two eggs, an orange, five oranges. They can always be plural. Don't forget, sausages are countable. A banana is countable because they can be bananas. All the others are uncountable over here. And then we went over some rules. Here are the rules, Gary. Now, some rules for countable nouns. Just remember about this or an. If it is one thing and you can count it, and it begins with a vowel, we say an. So, an orange, an apple. But we'll say a biscuit, a bread roll, an egg, because it begins with a vowel. For uncountable nouns, they're always singular, but we don't, no article, no plural. So we just say milk, milk, that's it. Sometimes we can say some milk, a lot of milk, but no articles and no plural. Following on the rules, come down a little bit there, Gary, so you can make sure you see these two rules. Okay. For countable nouns, we can, when we're asking questions, we can say, is there a banana or is there an apple on the table? And the answer is yes, there is, or no, there isn't. But also for countable nouns, we can ask the question in the plural, which is how we generally ask. Are there any bananas over there? And the answer, yes there are, or no there aren't. But for uncountable nouns, the question is always, is there any? Is there any milk on the table? Yes there is, no there isn't. So remember that for countable nouns, you can ask about one thing to get yes there is or no there isn't, but in general, we ask, are there any bread rolls over there? Yes there are, no there aren't. And over here, Gary, were just some examples of some sentences. Is there an apple on the table? Yes there is. Yes there is an apple. Yes there is an apple in the bowl. Are there any grapes? Yes there are. Yes there are some grapes in the bowl. Yes there are a lot of grapes in the bowl. But yes there are lots of grapes in the bowl. So these were both countable, singular and plural, but remember, uncountable nouns are only singular. Is there any milk? Yes there is. Yes there is some milk in a jug over there. And then we just learned some kitchen-y type stuff, and I'm going to give you some homework in a minute and see you tomorrow.